In this video, I'm going to show you my dark method of how I find easy to rank keywords and write articles on it under 1 minute so that I can bring traffic to my website, rank my articles higher than my competitors. And guys, it's a completely ethical method. Basically, you can say it's a really smart way of doing keyword research and writing content for your website. So for this video, basically, we are going to require two tools. So number one tool is we are going to use is Ahrefs. So basically, you require a tool for doing keyword research, and you can also use SEMrush. It's totally dependent upon you. And the second tool that we are going to use is Arvow. So it's a AI powered content writer. So basically what it does, it converts your ideas, it converts your keywords into article that are easily going to rank on Google, and it does that under 1 minute. So basically you can create different types of article, you can create automation, and you can also scrape data from your competitor's website, and you can also write on those keywords as well. You can set up automation, you can set up automation for your social media, you can create lead magnet, and you can also do tracking for your keywords. So basically it comes with a lot of feature. So let's quickly go and take a look at our Ahrefs. So basically we are going to use it for our keyword research. So I have logged into my account, and you have to go to Keyword Explorer. So after going to the Keyword Explorer, basically what you have to do is you have to type in this simple thing, how to plus your primary keyword of your business, of your niche. So basically you have to write the keyword which is related to your business. Say for example, if you are an IT company, if you are an grooming company, if you are selling some physical products, basically you have to write about that keyword here. You can either remove the plus or you can keep it. It's your choice. The second thing that we are going to do is you have to select your country. It's really important. Say for example, I want to rank on United States. So I'm going to enter that, and I'm going to hit on search button. So it's showing us a difficulty of 41 right now, but as a new website, I won't recommend you that you start working on this keyword. Instead, what we are going to do is we are going to apply some filters. We are going to do our keyword research smartly. So in this keyword ideas, you have to click on view all. And after that, it's going to show us a lot of keywords. So basically they are having low difficulty. So again, we can apply a lot of filters here. So for example, we want only keywords that are having difficulty of 10, and intent can be of informational. Basically we want to bring traffic to our website initially. So I'll apply that. And after that, we have to click on show results. So earlier we were having around 22,000. So now we are getting around 1,300 results. So you can clearly see from here, we are getting those keywords which are having low difficulty. And basically these are called golden keywords. These are keywords which you can rank easily on. But guys, don't get fooled, because you have to write a lot of articles related to like your core topics, and also you require an article which is of really high quality. So say for example, for your content marketing strategy, what you have to do is you have to gather around 20, 30, 50 ideas, 50 topics which you have to write article on. And once you start writing those articles, what you will see is Google will gradually start ranking you on some keywords. You have to do your on page proper, you have to do internal linking, which by the way, you can do automatically using Arvow. So you have to gather a list of keywords. Say for example, if you are having 10 keywords, you have 20 keywords, you can easily get those keywords and you can place them in a Google Sheet. And after that, what we have to do is we have to go to Arvow. So if you just want to try out Arvow, you can exactly do that. I think you can produce around 2 to 3 articles for free, but I highly recommend that you go and check out the premium plan, because it starts from just, I think, $40. So for creating our article, what we have to do is we have to go to SEO articles, and you have to paste your keyword. Your title is optional. You can also do that. You can also add multiple keywords here. So for now, I'm just going to work on one article. After that, I will click on add keywords, and here you can see our article is here. So now there are two options. So number one option is generate article, and the second option is this pencil button. So if I click on generate article, it's going to produce an article in just under 1 minute. But if you want more control, if you want to feed more information to the AI, you want to control how it is produced, I highly recommend that you use this feature. You can basically add more detail. Again, here, Arvow will help you with the generation of title, with the generation of keywords. You can also create outline. You can also add or omit anything which is not relevant to you. You can include the content. Say, for example, if you're writing in English and it supports over 150 languages. So it doesn't matter which country you are from, your language is going to be here. You can easily write article in your own languages. And you can also choose a tone of voice. Say, for example, I want something informational. I want something that is having academic value. So you can simply add that here. And after that, you can also create a knowledge base. So basically, it means that Arvow will use the existing information that is available on Google related to your domain, and it will include that information in the article so that it is of highest quality. You can also do the formatting structure, internal linking. You can also exclude the links of your competitors as well. And this is for the generation of images and including videos in your article. So you can do that if you are someone who wants extra control over it. But I just want a really high quality article in just under 1 minute. I'll click on this button and it will start generating our article. And let's wait for it. So Arvow has generated our article. So for viewing the article, we just simply have to click on the title. I'll click here, and after that, I'll click on view. So you can click on this to get a better view and some editing tools as well. So here you can see the quality of article right away. It's super high, and it has also included a table of content. The title of the article is really good. So it does include some points. Images are as well. The alt text has been included in the article as well. So long story short, Arvow has produced a really high quality article with all the FAQs, all the relevant links, all the headings, and you can directly copy paste this, or you can download this and directly publish it on your website. So this is how you do the research and you start publishing articles on your website, and it hardly took me around 5 minutes. So you can apply the same strategy in your website and it will give you great results. So once again, let me show you the Arvow website. So basically you can generate high quality articles from Arvow, and you required a subscription for it. So basic subscription start from just $40. But if you are someone who's having multiple websites, I highly recommend that you go with this business plan. And you can find the best buy link in the description, and I'll also put it in my comment, and you can click on it and you can start using Arvow. Also, you can quickly check these videos out, and if you like my work, you can subscribe to my channel. You can like this video. So see you next time.